Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to be learning how to insert checkboxes in Excel. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Right now, as you can see, we have a food item shopping list, and in the bot column we need to add our checkboxes. To do so, you can follow this step-by-step guide. First, you need to enable the developers tab. Now on the top, if you cannot see your developers tab, simply right click on your toolbar and from here customize ribbon. Here you will be able to see that the developers tab is unchecked. Check this, then click on OK. Now on the top you will be able to see that our developer tab is now activated. Click on developer tab and from there we need to head over to insert drop down. Here you will be able to see that we have our form controls and active controls. For this particular video, we are going to be adding our checkbox using the form controls, which provides a simple checkbox. So simply click on this checkbox and now draw wherever you would like to add your checkbox. Here you can see our checkbox is now added. So you will be able to see that when I hover my mouse on its edge, it changes into a repositioning cursor. And using that, you can reposition it, and once you're satisfied, you can just let it go. You can also use these corner edges, which are circle, to increase or decrease its size. Let's just remove the text part and reposition it into somewhere center. Looks pretty good to me. Now you can simply copy it and paste it for your rest of cells. Remember, you can adjust it accordingly. So that's a pretty simple process to insert checkboxes in Excel. I really hope you learned something new, and if you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.